Hi, we're Moonstar 88
and you're watching Mix, the beat of our culture.
Ako, ito, yung nangyari tonight. It's kanina, nung tinugtog namin. Hanggang ngayon, medyo di pa rin ako, cloud9 pa rin ako, na sobrang, wow, parang ang daming tao, friends, family, and everyone na parang sobrang thankful. Sobrang, ako, top of mind tonight. Yeah.
Tonight is one for the books.
Ako naman yung time na naging naging soundtrack siya ng movie. Nagulat na talaga ako na, my God. Kasi twice pa na soundtrack. And every time na kino-cover ng lahat ng every time na kino-cover ng mga celebrities, ng iba pang tao para mag-mall tour. So yun, parang, oh my God, tinutulungan nila kami para maabot yung mga hindi namin napupuntahan, di ba?
Tama.
Wala kami doon, pero they're sharing the song Torete sa kanila. So yun yung alam kong, ito na.
Even yung mga audience na hindi namin nare-reach.
Sila yung
nare-reach na.
So we appreciate those people.
Ako hindi.
No.
Siguro walang time, hindi naman time bound, pero alam ko lang na tuloy-tuloy lang.
Yes, we
alam lang namin na tuloy-tuloy lang at our own pace without comparing ourselves sa iba. Parang nag-enjoy lang kami as long as alam namin may nangyayari. Pero hindi time bound na kailangan pa ito time na ganito, ito rin achieve.
Not just the song, but yung relationship namin.
Yeah.
Hindi namin isip. Basta every year we have a goal na bagong kanta or bagong project, everything. And then we just enjoy it. We just enjoy the journey. And before we know it, 25 years na pala. Parang ganun.
Parang kailan lang 18 years yung sinelebrate namin na sa South naman. No? Ngayon, mas malaki pa. No? So, we're very grateful sa mga tumulong behind it.
Yes. Siguro mas marami na siyang na-touch na tao, relationship, sitwasyon, even sa family na generation.
Yan, mismo.
Diba? From the mom, the parents, the dad, hanggang sa kids ngayon. Same namin. We have our own kids and nasa-celebrate nila together. Na-enjoy nila together yung song, nakakanta nila. And sa akin yun. I think yun.
It's the same thing kasi we're also like parents now. So, syempre, goal namin maging cool din naman kami sa mga anak namin. So,
oo nga, tama.
Parang for this new generation to actually appreciate the music, parang nakakatuwa kasi we didn't expect na ganito yung longevity ng band.
What struck me yung recently lang, yung may buong pamilya na nandun. Tapos, tuwan-tuwa siya dahil yung nanay tuwan-tuwa sa mga anak niya kasi yung anak ang nagyaya sa nanay to watch Moonstar 88. Fan siya ng Moonstar 88. So, something na everyone can relate to, di ba? Di ba usually iba yung taste ng parents sa anak? Siguro nakatuwa lang kasi Moonstar 88, all of them agree na manunod sila.
Family-oriented siya.
So, yun. Happy kami kasi ito yung isa sa mga nagiging bonding ng family.
That's also the reason why we had asked for this to be a free concert kasi we wanted it to be accessible for all ages talaga.
Hindi nila pinapakinggan eh. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, syempre proud. I would say proud and then nakakatuwa kasi hindi naman palaging na-appreciate ng, I don't know, it's not always, hindi siya palaging nangyayari na pareho ng trip nung mga anak yung trip nung parents. Pero na-appreciate nila yung music namin and then, actually, personally, yung kids namin, they grew up seeing us perform live, sama sa gigs, recording.
Backstage live.
Oo so parang it's not that hindi yun usual na in-express nila na they appreciate us or they sing our songs. Pero once na kinanta nila, they share with their friends, yung daughter ko nagsama ng classmates niya dito dahil gusto manood. Sobrang, I don't know, nakakataba ng puso for me.
Ako naman, since my family moved to Australia, so my daughter, nagkaroon sila ng parang Filipino week, and then she performed the song, and she told me that she was so surprised that a lot of the kids her age actually know the song. So ako rin mismo parang, oh, ganun pala, okay, nakakataba ng puso.
Ako yung mga teachers ng anak ko, they approach my daughter or yung sons ko na proud yung mga anak ko. Natutuwa ako kasi proud sila na may kanta kami na sila pinapakinggan nila, pero at the same time hindi yung teachers nila pinapakinggan din. No? So ayan. Finally excited na kami.
Diba? Hindi pa namin napapanood though, pero the fact na alam namin na document siya and all, sobrang siguro ang saya kasi we can watch it again personally kasi perform kami, hindi namin alam kung tama ba yung ginagawa namin.
Nag-enjoy ka ba? Oh, yeah.
So we want to watch it from a perspective ng audience. At least now magagawa namin, and then we can share it. Mas share namin ngayon sa iba on our social media accounts and everyone.
And excited ako kasi ngayon maraming reason to do this more sa iba pang lugar, no? Kasi dati ang hirap ikwento, ang saya ba sa ganito?
Nangyari ba talaga yun?
Nangyari ba talaga yun, di ba? Ang saya, lahat ng mga fans namin na nandun sa last time, ang saya nila pero hindi nila ma-describe right now.
May proof na tayo. Proof na. If you didn't gram it, it never happened.
Yeah. Lahat.
Current favorite?
Ikaw, meron ka mga ibang ano?
Ikaw.
Ayun
na lang.
Hindi, definitely ako yung reason. Isa rin na ang dami ding excited din kami, yung migraine din, may ibang kwento pa yun.
Isang blessing din ang migraine para sa mga.
Kasi 5 years after bago
ako yung
nag-hit.
Gilid kasi naka-jam namin si Alexa Ilacan.
Oh, excited.
And we love her so much.
We love Alexa.
Bago yan.
Wala siguro. It will not take any place. Although, meron kaming tinugtog kanina. Actually, yun yung favorite ko Sa Langit. Ayun yung kasabay niya Sa Langit. Pero, mas totally na talaga yung Torete. Naging second single yung Sa Langit So, chronologically, baka yun dapat. Pero, hindi, Torete talaga.
Thank you so much. Sobrang grateful kami. 25 years would not have been possible without your support. So sa lahat ng OG, lahat ng mga newbie, lahat ng in-between, sobrang appreciative kami sa lahat ng support ninyo. And we'll continue to create more music for you guys, and we hope to see you again.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mix. Kayo, isa kayo sa mga original na sumusuport sa OPM. So, yun, maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta and sa mga nag-aspire din. So, walang imposible, no? Walang imposible sa Diyos.
Thank you, Mix, the beat of our culture.
Your choice, your music.
Filipino pop sensation, Beanie, live in concert across North America. Beanieverse World Tour. See Beanie performing in a city near you. Get your tickets now at beanie.global. Don't miss your chance to see Beanie on their first world tour.
Herry, good ingredients are hard to find.